Yeah, why not? Let me try to do a cinematic montage. I'm just trying new things out. time to do it. You guys saw the last video, you know what's up. It's time that we transform this entire stack of cash we got to pay rent to into what we need to buy right there. So it is nighttime. Let's see if we can't do the overnight parts from Japan, even though I think this company is in California or something like that. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's time to get this ordered so we can get this these parts done. As you heard from the last video, he's gonna go ahead and start this my long block. They got all the parts for that. You guys already know that. So again, yeah. So they got the parts for the long block already. So again, doesn't need anything there. They can go and get that done. But the tranny parts right here we haven't got. So let's go ahead. Let's make it happen. Let's shit pull the trigger and get this tranny, because we know we need that. We need that right there. That's what's gonna help us front wheel drive, guys, right there. Put all the powers on the ground. So let's get done. And then obviously we still gotta take this stupid fuel pump to them that I forgot last time. So we'll drop all that shit off, as well as hopefully we can get these parts and we just do it all in one go. Like that. Look at that. Done deal. So you know I'm not playing no games. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Now I'm changing out the filter, in-cabin air filter in the Z. I can tell you that basically do reverse order, how to put it back in. You got the 4 screws on top and you have this screw. This is gonna be the hardest screw to get. Gonna need to use an extension. Like I did, use an extension right here. Excuse me. Just out the way. Use an extension like that with the screw on the end to get to this last screw. It's way up here at the top. I want you to check out my dirty ass filter. Having some weird ass smells in the car, and that's probably why. There you go, zoomed in. That filter nasty. So I figured while we waiting, I go ahead and get this job done. Again, you're gonna need an extension if you're gonna get to this thing. And also one more thing about this door. This is the door that covers the filter. Right here, it's just a clip. Push that in. It pops the door out like that, but you can't get out like that. You'll tear it. If you look on this end right here, see how it's kind of zoom in. It's kind of clipped in like that. You see that little ridge right there? So when you open the door, you got to push this down to pop it out like that. Do not do that. You'll break this tab, and you'll never be able to close that again. I figured I'd make this quick video of it, trying to find information on how to change the filter. That's not 20 minutes long. It's very difficult. So again, this one new filter. All you Eastern 370 people that want to know the filter number, there you go. Make sure you put the popper side up, because these do go in the certain direction. So make sure you get that done. Again, I just want to go ahead and include that in this video, since I am doing routine maintenance while we're waiting for our shipment to arrive. But yeah, if you ever get any nasty smells whenever you're putting on your AC and it smells pretty bad, probably your filter being dirty. I've never changed this filter until like today. So yeah, it's pretty nasty. Here's the air. The arrow's pointing down. The new filter, if you read it, see the arrow's pointing up, airflow. The airflows basically have the ACs running. So you see it's saying that the airflow in the Nissan is going down. So you need to flip this upside down. Even though it doesn't look right, because the word's upside down, you need the airflow going down just like that. And if you guys just want to know, also in the directions too. Oh, excuse me. Dropped it. Also in the directions too. Right here. There you go. So make sure that you have the arrow pointed down. Because in the original filter, you see it's down. Alright, and there you guys go. You got 4 screws at the top. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. There's your 4. You got that one way back there I told you about. You're going to need an extension to get to. You can drop the glove box out. You see it's just hooked on right there, 2 hooks. If you look at the end of the glove box right there, it's just hooked on. 2 hooks. Move my hand. See, there you go. It's just hooks. So you can drop the glove box out first if you want to get to these screws easier. I just opened the glove box and ended up doing it like that. But now that I know that it's just hooked on, you simply just take this out and you can reach out for these easy. And that's how you drop it out to get to the cabin air filter behind you. Again, I figured I'd just make a quick video on add into the video on how to change the cabin air filter, because there are some videos, but they're like 9 to 15 minutes long unnecessarily. Long, you know, for changing this out in the 370Z. So put this back together, and again, once the weight is on, we're still waiting to get our stuff. But again, just wanted to do that quick job, get that out the way. That way the cabin will be smelling nice and fresh. Inside, guys. Alright, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, hope you guys enjoyed the cinematic. I want to try something new. Definitely, you know, gotta work on it. Again, it takes time to do that stuff, and you know, I'll get better if I keep doing them. Again, just trying to introduce new things, new angles. You know, challenge myself type deal. But again, we're gonna have some of my major updates coming in a couple days. But other than that, I hope you guys click like and subscribe. Don't skip the ads, please. Again, subscribe. Let your people know about my channel. Again, you know, I'm one of the few ones that are actually still building an 8th gen. Actually building, not, you know, exhaust. And, you know, let's do Stance Nation. I've been watching a lot of crap Stance Nation builds, but it's a whole nother different story. But anyway, if you remember at the beginning, at the beginning, I said, hey man, we're gonna turn that pile of cash into parts, or the transmission parts, and I said, oh, overnight parts from Japan. That's pretty funny. But again, overnight parts from Japan. There's all your parts. There's your limited slip. There's our gearing and our final drive. But again, that's gonna have to wait for another video. Sorry, guys. Teaser. There it is. All right, guys. See you guys next video. Again, have any questions, post them down below. It's going to be cool and be one of the rare R18s that has a fully built transmission. The other parts, gearing, final drive, limited slip. All I got to do is install my transmission. The shop will get right on that. See you guys next video. Peace.